Hello, my viewers and subscribers. Hello, YouTube. Welcome to another episode of Jamaica Politics Uncovered. New subscribers, welcome. Returning subscribers, welcome back. Guys, if you have been following the news cycle, you would know that breaking news, the top prosecutor in Jamaica, Miss Paula Llewelyn, has lost her job. Member of Parliament for East Kingston and Port Royal, Mr. Philip Paulwell, et al., filed a civil case in the Supreme Court of Jamaica that the change in the Constitution by the government to extend the age of retirement for the DPP Paula Llewelyn and the Auditor General was unconstitutional. Well, today, the Supreme Court handed down their decision.
Paulwell et al. And the Attorney General of Jamaica. King's Counsel having announced the representation, we will now get into the reasons for our decision. We will commence with the issue which the court had to decide. Claimants that the amendment is unconstitutional and should be struck down on the basis that the current DPP has already received one extension in office and should not benefit from the act which seeks to grant a second extension.
Guys, I encourage you to go on YouTube and listen to the entire ruling of the Supreme Court.
Conversation, Prime Minister and the leader of the opposition, and which is what the Constitution requires. And if that were done and respect is given, then we wouldn't have this unfortunate situation where a public servant is being embarrassed. So I regret that aspect of it, for sure. But I believe that the judgment was a good one.
You mentioned that if there was a conversation, there would be no embarrassment. But I'm not sure if this question is for you or for the opposition. Would the opposition be behind them to agree on a further extension?
The way a country is run is by people recognizing the role and position of each other, the roles and position. And sometimes these matters are settled by the leaders. In a room, you submit the very royal confab, and that is how a mature democracy operates. We shouldn't have to be in Parliament one day summoned to pass a law without the requisite respect and consultation with them. And I think this is fundamentally a commentary on that.
Mr. Paula, given this ruling, can we expect to see the opposition challenge, bringing more matters like this in matters where they feel like the government did not, break the protocol or did not consult with them, with the Constitution?
We are quite clear. Our role is to protect the integrity and the sovereignty of the Constitution. And anywhere we see violations, we are going to pursue.
Thank you.
As I said, guys, if you want to hear the fullness of the ruling, you can go to their YouTube page. It's called Jamaican Judiciary, I believe. So the response from the government amidst this ruling is that they're going to appeal. I don't know whether Paula will have time to complete all the cases that she's involved in, such as the Vibes Cartel case, or if she will be involved in the Jolly and Silvera case where Melissa Silvera was murdered, or the case involving Mr. Keith Clark, who was the accountant who was unalived, shot 21 times in the back by the JDF soldiers, the 3 soldiers who received an immunity from Peter Bunting, although he was not the security minister when it happened, but he gave this immunity 3 days before the general election of 2016, and that was struck down as unconstitutional in 2018. So this is where we are, guys. I hope that whether Paula stays or, whomever fills her spot, I hope that, justice will be the order of the day and that everyone will continue or even more so now, be equal under the law. Guys, you are listening to Jamaica Politics Uncovered. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that you have your notification on. Make sure you're inviting your friends to join us here. And please go and follow our TikTok. Make sure you give us a follow over there. Right? Thank you and take care until next time.